Well, welcome to another edition of Fun Day Monday, Funded Forward for July of 2023. Today's quiz question relates to something you just may have never thought of.
That's right. I know I hadn't. The question was, what universal language must all airline pilots speak? A, aviation GPT, B, English, C, modern Greek, or D, Latin? The answer was B, English.
Right. So, but in 1951, the International Civil Aviation Organization recommended to the world's aviation to begin using a standardized set of aviation practices, policies, and procedures to ensure all aircraft companies and their employees were all working from the same page.
That's a mouthful, isn't it?
Yeah, wow.
One of the important languages was English, and this was due to the fact that the US and UK were manufacturing most of the world's aircraft at that time.
It seems like it'd be a little challenging if you never spoke English and then all of a sudden you had to do that. If you're a pilot from another country, it'd be challenging.
It would.
And as part of the English becoming the international standard for aviation communication, there have been numerous additions of phraseology over the years to ensure miscommunication does not happen.
The phonetic alphabet is a great example of this. Each letter of the alphabet is depicted by a word that sounds like no other word in the alphabet to ensure they do not get confused during communication. For example, A for alpha, B for beta, C for Charlie, and so on.
Yeah, and I've heard of this phonetic alphabet before, and sometimes I find myself using it when I'm giving out like a lockbox code or something in the real estate business, or something like that. And some of the other examples in the phonetic alphabet are, for example, G is for golf. I find it interesting that for R, it's Romeo, and for J, it's Juliet, which is kind of interesting. So, a lot of times we need those kind of helps to define, what we're talking about, or, to help us communicate better and not get confused. So,
right, because there's a lot of letters that sound the same, like D and P, E. I mean, those three letters sound familiar or similar. T, and if you're on the phone or speaking over a microphone or a walkie-talkie or something like that, they all kind of sound the same.
Yeah, so you got to put a word association with that letter so they understand what you're saying.
Right. So that makes sense.
Absolutely. Well, let's go ahead and get started with the contest here and see who our winner is for Fun Day Monday, Fund It Forward.
All right. The winner is...
Who we got?
Doug and Jean Stevens. Congratulations.
All right, Doug and Jean Stevens, congratulations. We will get in touch with you to find out who your favorite charity is. And of course, now we have the option, if you want to collect the winnings yourself, you can take that option. Otherwise, we'll donate to your favorite charity. So, Doug, I'll get in touch with you on that soon. All right. Well, everybody have a good July. I hope everybody had a good 4th of July, Independence Day. We just got past we're actually doing this recording on the 6th, so just a couple of days ago. All right. Well, everybody have a good day, and please don't keep us a secret as far as real estate's concerned. And you guys have a wonderful day.
Goodbye.
See you later. Bye-bye.